If you're looking to strengthen your short game, you know, when you get a turkey inside of 100 yards, 80 yards, certain calls really can make the difference. Clucks and purrs, just soft little clucks and purrs that go along with maybe even some light yelps. I like to yelp. I yelp them right to the gun a lot of the times, and that's where knowing your turkey vocabulary and having confidence in the calls that you're doing really can make a big difference in what's going on. Maybe you can see him in the field. He's strutting out there. You need to give him a little more to get him to come that last little bit. And a lot of times those are called, you know, coaxer calls, clucks and purrs, maybe some soft yelps, soft clucks. And this is how I would do that. Just little stuff like that's all it takes sometimes to make him break and come that last little bit into your gun range.